You've spent hours studying only to feel like your brain has a memory leak. You forget 50% of what you learned within an hour. The truth is, studying harder isn't the answer. Studying smarter is. Today, I'm breaking down a high leverage Japanese student routine centered on a principle called active recall. This isn't about reading notes. It's a three-step sequence that forces your brain to remember, guaranteeing you retain everything. Let's make your knowledge permanent. Phase 1, the focused sprint, 25 minutes. We start with the Pomodoro technique, a 25-minute single-task focus block. Put your phone away. For this sprint, you are not reviewing, you are learning new material. Read actively, highlight key concepts, make tiny margin notes, and work through example problems. The goal is immersion. Don't worry about memorizing yet. Just intake the information and understand the core logic. Minimize distractions. This dedicated effort is the foundation for lasting memory. Phase 2, the active recall test, 5 minutes. Stop reading and close your book immediately. Now, you must answer this question. What were the 3 to 5 main points I just learned? Do not look at your notes. Grab a blank piece of paper and write down everything you can recall from the last 25 minutes. This is active recall. It's hard, but it's where the magic happens. By struggling to retrieve the information, you're strengthening the neural pathway. Memory is like a muscle. If you don't exercise it, it won't grow. Phase 3, the correction and consolidation, 20 minutes. Now you go back to your original source. Use a different colored pen, red or green, to fill in the blanks on your recall sheet. Did you miss a key formula? Write it down now. Did you misunderstand a concept? Correct it. This is not passive reading. This is a highly targeted review of your knowledge gaps. This process leverages a powerful learning tool called spaced repetition. You're not wasting time rereading what you know. You're only reinforcing the specific facts you struggled to remember. The secret is this. Repeat the cycle. Don't study for 4 hours straight. Complete one cycle, 25 focus plus 5, recall plus 20. Correct equals 50 minutes. Take a 10-minute break and start again. This method fights the forgetting curve and moves knowledge from your short-term to your long-term memory. Japanese students use this system to turn complex subjects into permanent knowledge. Stop being a passive reader and become an active rememberer. Your grades and retention don't come from the hours you put in. They come from the intensity of your focus and the quality of your retrieval. Try the 25-5-20 active recall cycle for your next study session. You'll be shocked at how much you remember. If this video helped you conquer the forgetting curve, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What subject are you going to use active recall on first? Now, close that book and start your 5-minute recall test.